Good morning all. Wow, what a beautiful day to share with you some information, some thoughts, some insight. I love it. 0 vacancies. This is an art because what you want to achieve as a landlord is no downtime, no 1 month vacant out of your 12 months, because this does affect your profit. Ultimately, it can make a huge difference. Landlords have value. Tenants have value. On top of all the things landlords need to do to have better tenants and to have less vacancies and a higher quality tenant, there is one more thing you can be doing that I have found to be the number one reason your property will never be empty. You will never have to look for a tenant. There will always be a row of tenants lined up for you by your own tenant. And this is what you do. Every time you're putting a tenant in your property, negotiate your rental. Once you're done, explain to the tenant that you will be doing more frequent inspections than normal. And every time you have an inspection on the agreed upon time, and your inspection list, which is a very, very strong, clear 100-point list, and if the tenant passes those 100 points, you will add 5 or 10% of the rental back onto their deposit. Now, what does this do for you? Firstly, the tenant is happy because their deposit is growing. It is a form of savings for them. Secondly, they will look after your property because you are forcing a good behavior, but you are paying them back for it and you are rewarding them for that. And thirdly, you will have a longer occupancy, less turnaround of tenants, and at the end of the lease, that tenant has told all their friends how their deposit grew exponentially just by being a great tenant. That way, when word is out that this landlord is looking for a new tenant, your tenant, I guarantee you, will have a string of friends looking to rent your property. This brings higher profits, happier investing.